The last time anyone saw a checkered skipper butterfly in England was 1976. Then they went extinct. So you can see why it was such a big deal when Back from the Brink set about trying to bring these beautiful butterflies back to England. The people who lived and worked here in the Rockingham Forest in the past made these pathways so they could travel more easily, cart wood home for multiple uses and hunt. There were lots of animals who also loved these rides because they let in so much light. Because of this, loads of different plants could grow here, which meant that the insects could thrive on the plants and the birds and bats could thrive on the insects. So the rides are really important for keeping this place full of life. Checkered skippers disappeared because human lives changed. The pathways in the forest were no longer needed and they grew over. So the butterflies didn't have the warmth and light that they need.
Back from the Brink have been working to open up the rides again. Then, with the help of lots of volunteers, checkered skippers from Belgium were released back into the Rockingham Forest.
And these gorgeous butterflies flew over the English countryside once more. So releasing the adults wasn't enough.
The adult butterflies only live for about a month. Most of the year, they live as caterpillars.
To know that the checkered skipper can really come back, we need to know that the caterpillars have the right food and places to live.
And because the rides have been kept light and open, the food plants for the checkered skipper and countless other animals have been protected.
This summer, they found them, the first checkered skipper babies born in England for 40 years. So awesome. And here is one of the little caterpillars. Be part of the solution. Volunteer at your local nature reserve, in the town or in the country, and see what awesome animals and plants live there. Share this film, protect our natural wealth. We really can't afford to lose it. Back from the Brink is one of the most ambitious conservation projects ever undertaken. Its aim is to save 20 species in England, all of whom are so close to going extinct. It's the first time ever that so many conservation organisations have come together with one focus, and the power of working together is really making things happen. Much of the success is down to local people. So far, over 2,000 people have volunteered their time to help Back from the Brink, and this amounts to over 4,000 days or 10 years of working days given for free to help our wild animals and wild spaces and counting. Incredible, and you can do it too.